You go to sign a contract or open an account, and you discover your company has been deregistered. It's a horrible moment. But here's the good news. In most cases, you can bring it back to life. Let me show you exactly how reinstatement works. First, what deregistration actually means. When CIPC deregisters your company, it stops existing as a legal entity. It can't trade, it can't sign contracts, and its bank accounts can be frozen. But deregistered is not always gone forever. In almost every case, it happened for one reason. Annual returns weren't filed. CIPC assumes a company that stops filing is dormant and removes it. It's rarely deliberate. The letters go to an old address and no one notices until it's too late. There are two ways back, and which one you use depends on how you were deregistered. One is a straightforward CIPC reinstatement. The other, in certain cases, is a court application. For most small businesses, it's the first, the CIPC route. The CIPC reinstatement is an application to restore your company to the register. You complete the reinstatement form, and this is the key part. You have to prove the company deserves to come back. To qualify, CIPC generally wants to see a few things: that the company had assets or was actively trading, or that reinstatement is otherwise justified, along with supporting documents, like a deregistration certificate, an ID, and proof the company was doing business. But here's the catch that trips everyone up. Reinstatement alone isn't enough. Once the company is restored, you still have to file every outstanding annual return, all the ones you missed, to bring it fully compliant. The backlog doesn't disappear. Realistically, this takes time, often weeks, sometimes months, depending on CIPC and how many returns are outstanding, which is exactly why catching it early, before deregistration is final, is so much easier than fixing it after. And be careful while you're deregistered. Legally, the company doesn't exist, so you shouldn't be trading in its name or signing contracts through it. Doing so can expose you personally. Get it reinstated first, then carry on. Once you're back, don't let it happen again. The whole thing is prevented by one simple habit: filing your annual returns on time every year. It's the cheapest insurance your company will ever have. This is something we handle constantly. At Smartbook, we manage the full reinstatement, the application, the supporting documents, and all your outstanding annual returns. And then keep your company compliant so it never drifts toward deregistration again. Head to smartbookie.co.za and the link is in the description. So if your company has been deregistered, don't panic. In most cases, it can come back. Apply to reinstate, file your outstanding returns, and then keep it compliant. And if you'd like us to handle the whole process, that's exactly what we do. Visit smartbookie.co.za or email hello@smartbookie.co.za. And if this helped, subscribe. It's the smart move.